Are you looking for Bitcoin, Ethereum, blockchain, digital assets, or any type of cryptocurrency website? Introducing TNC Cryptique, the best Divi child theme. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, let's explore the live preview of TNC Cryptique Divi child theme. TNC Cryptique is specifically designed for crypto-related websites. Whether you are a blockchain startup or crypto news platform, this theme is packed with features to showcase crypto projects, token sales and important information. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving and a strong online presence is vital. This is where TNC Cryptique Divi child theme comes into play. TNC Cryptique is more than just a child theme. It is a powerful tool designed to improve your cryptocurrency website. TNC Cryptique ensures that you make a memorable impression. With sleek and modern, your website will impress visitors and leave a lasting impression. You will find the most useful pages in this child theme: single-page home and multi-page home, 404 error page, blog and archive, pricing, FAQ and many more. It offers an affordable and convenient solution for users who want to enhance their website's credibility. Its crypto-centric features, customization options make it a valuable tool for building trust. With TNC Cryptique, your website will display and function perfectly on all devices. Built on the Divi framework, TNC Cryptique offers easy customization, ensuring your website fits your unique vision of cryptocurrency. Choose your style. Whether you prefer a single-page scrolling experience or a multi-page format, TNC Cryptique offers versatility to showcase your crypto journey. Make your mark in the crypto universe with TNC Cryptique, your gateway to the world of digital currencies. So, if you are looking for the best Divi child theme, get TNC Cryptique. And if you want to browse more Divi products, visit divi.themeencode.com.